Welcome to your first piano lesson. We'll start from scratch to your first song today. And no worries if you are a total beginner, because this lesson is really easy to follow, and you'll be able to play today your first song with the both hands together. And to help you with that, make sure to download the PDF file for free. The link is in the description below. So let's get started. Our first job is to locate the 7 musical notes on the piano. So the 7 musical notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And to locate all those notes on the piano, first you have to look at the piano and you notice the piano are symmetrical, which means you have always 3 black keys and then 2 black keys. You have always these groups, so 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and so on. And then we're going to have 2 black keys, 1 white key behind it, it's your C. So you can have a lot of C's on the piano. So 2 black keys, C, 2 black keys, C, 2, C, and so on. And my friends, the good news, if you know the C, you can locate all other notes. For example, if this C, so 2 black keys, C, this is D, E, and keep going following the order. F, G, A, B, and C again, because you have 2 black keys, C, and we start all over again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and so on. And a really good tip for you is to say the notes out loud. C, D, E, F, G, A, B will help you memorize them and start to counting when you have to find these notes. For example, let's say you want to know which note is this one. All you have to do, go to C. So again, you have 2 black keys, C over here, and then start to count. C, D, E, F. Oh, this note is F. The same thing for other notes. For example, I want to know what this note is. So 2 black keys, C, D, E, F, G, A, and so on. Only make sure to do that and still saying the note out loud. And another important thing, if you notice here, I'm using a 80/80 piano, so I have 80/80 keys, and always make sure to use this C as our reference, named as middle C. And to locate this C, you have the first C on the piano, so 2 black keys. This is the C0, C0, C1, C2, C3. So the C3, it's always the middle C. And if you're using a piano with 61 keys, you don't have this part. So we start on the C1, C2, and the C3 as well. Now to play your first song, we're gonna need something called chords, which means every time you play 3 notes together, for example, this way, we have a chord. Of course, you always can play 3 notes together, but you need to play notes that are related in each other. Not like this or not like this. You have to play in this way. To be easier, you can compare this when you're writing a text. For example, you have the letters A, B, C, D, and so on. That stands for the notes C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And when you combine those letters, you have the words. For example, home, piano, learn, and so much more. The same thing here. When I combine the notes, I have chords. Like this. To represent those chords, I always have the first name to name this chord and also the last name. If you only see the letters in capital letters, for example, C, D, E, F, and so on, this stands for the last name major. So, for example, D is gonna be D major, F, F major, A major, and so on. But if you see the letter M just beside the big note, the first name, which stands for minor as the last name. For example, CM, C minor, DM, D minor, AM, A minor, and so on. And what's the difference between these two things? The way you play it. For example, if I play C major, I will play like this. And if I play C minor, I will play like this. And you can have a lot of last names to play the chords, but let's stop here to avoid confusion. And if you want to learn more about chords and how to learn piano faster, I will leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, let's learn your first two chords to play your first song. Your first song will be Dreams by Fleetwood Mac, and I chose this song because it has only two chords and of course is so cool to play. And the chords are, first one we have F major. To play this chord, go to the middle C, so C0, C1, C2, C3, so two black keys, C. And to have a better sound, go to the F one octave below, which means C, B, A, G, F. You go to this F and then play F, skip one note, play the second, skip one note, play the third note, like this. So we have the F major chord. And by the way, all the fingers carry a number. The both thumbs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you play the thumb on F, the second on A, and the fourth on C. Or if you're being more comfortable, you can play F, A, and C, doing 1, 3rd, and 5th. It's totally up to you. No right or wrong here. And this is our F major. And to play our next chord, which is the G major, you only have to do is move your entire hand to the next keys, like this. So you play G, skip 1, B, skip 1, and play D. G major. Again, F major, G major. And then, of course, go back, F major, G major, F major, G major. For the left hand, we're gonna play only one note that you're gonna use to name this chord. For example, the first chord is F major. So, on the left hand, we're gonna play F, just like this. The second chord is G major. So we play G on the left together. Now we have F major, G major, F major, G major. And to be more musical, let's start to counting those chords until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if play like this is hard for you, play one hand at a time. So start on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep practicing this until be able to play like I did, and then do the same thing for the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then play with the both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. And this is all you have to do to play your first song. And as you can see on the PDF file on the screen, you have the sections of the song as well. So we're going to start on the verse, which means you play exactly the same chords, but just repeating 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this line 7 times, and then you have the chorus, which means the same chords more 4 times, and then the outro section you play F, G, F, G, and then you end the song playing F and just hold it. Of course, are the same chords every time, so you basically play F and G without worry about the sections, but I just written the sections just to be easier to follow with the lyrics, which I'm gonna play exactly right now with the vocals and with the band play together. Exactly the same thing that we did. So I play the chords 4 times and then move. More 4 and then back. Move back and forth for 4 times each chord. And then after this perform section, you have the section of play with me. I gotta read the sound of my piano, but we still have the visuals. My hands, the notes, the diagrams, everything on the screen, and this way you can play your own piano. You can see all those informations and play by yourself. That's it. Let me demonstrate this song for you now, guys, and then play with me.
It's only one
Now, to learn more songs that are perfect for beginners, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.